Rawr!
On this episode of Cooking with Rawr, we are making chili. We recommend this recipe because it's very cheap, very lazy, high fiber, high protein, and makes a big batch to last up to a full week. You'll need a slow cooker and no attention, or a very big pot and some basic attention. Your ingredients will be 1 pound of minced turkey, or whatever substitute you want, 1 pound of Eve's meat, it's a meat substitute, or sub in actual lean ground beef, 1 pound of carrots, bell peppers, a large onion, and 1 overzealous photogenic dinosaur. No, Rawr, get down from there. You'll also need 1 can of black beans, drained, 1 can of red beans, drained, 1 can of assorted or white or pinto beans, also drained, 1 can of tomato paste, 1 can of corn, drained, 1 can of baked beans, not drained, 1 can of tomatoes, drained, and the same dinosaur used in step 1. Open up the cans and dump them in the slow cooker. We'll show you 2 types of can openers at the end of the video and how to drain with them. Add the seasoning and mix it up. We always include ginger, smoked paprika, chili powder, and taco seasoning. These are acceptable by our 4-year-old who doesn't like spicy things, and by the older folks in our home who are visiting who can't digest particularly well. Now add in the meats and mix it up. Fun tip, if your turkey is frozen, you can still put it in and break it up after about an hour of cooking on high. This may make bigger chunks of turkey, kind of like meatballs, so if this doesn't appeal to you, make sure to remember to defrost. Slow cook for at least 4 hours on high to make sure the turkey is fully cooked. Even if you're not using real meat, make sure to fully cook the beans as they may contain harmful elements that need to be cooked out. The following bit is the nutritional info of the ingredients we use. There's some rounding occurring. With nutrition, we follow a simple thought process to keep us on track. Round the bad numbers, like calories, up, and round the good numbers, like protein, down. This means if we have to estimate, we err on the side of better health. Up here in Canada land, the beans we bought on sale for about $1 each, as were the tomatoes and tomato sauce. Onions and peppers tend to be pretty cheap. We can get the Eve's ground at $10 for 4 pounds, which is cheaper than real meat. The most expensive thing is the minced turkey, which we buy at $5 per package. Comes to about $20, give or take, for this whole recipe, and can feed our entire family for one night and have a couple of weekday lunches thereafter. Crockpots can be found in great working condition for free on the internet, and are one of the first things to go on sale at many hardware stores. This is about as standard of a bowl as I can imagine. Here's the fill line, there's the nutrition. I'm about 200 pounds, and 2 bowls fills me up to brimming. This is a smaller lunch container. I eat less at lunch, but the fiber keeps me full all the way up till dinner.
Rawr!
Our house likes to cook on Sunday for 4 hours, then take out what is needed for lunch Monday. Throw it back in the cooker the next day to let it cook even more and develop the flavor. Fun culinary info. Some meats actually taste better after being chilled and reheated, turkey being one of them. Spice. I love spicy spice. Ben, his tummy is a little more sensitive, as is our 4-year-old. If you like spice, start with crushed red pepper flakes, or go bonkers with bottles of other sauces. Ponty loves his Scovilles, and I occasionally hit that half mil for a nice chili trip. Spices. We've tried a variety of different spices. Chili powder is the only absolutely essential spice, since it's, chili. Ginger can prevent some of the gas from too many beans. It works for us 3, and it may work for you. Chinese 5-spice is delicious, but you need a lot of it to make it noticeable in this mix. Same with the white pepper. We recommend writing down which ones you use this week, and try a new thing next week. A different spice can change the entire profile and keep things fresh. The 2 common types of can openers are the ones that cut into the top and leave jagged sides, and the safety openers that leave only smooth edges. The jagged side version allows you to drain the can using the pressure, as the lid will now fit inside the can. The safety version requires you to just hold it over the sink longer. Life hack! Use a fridge magnet to pull out the lid if it drops inside the can. And with that, you now know how to make chili. Low calorie, high protein and fiber. Should help keep you full and keep on track. And it takes pretty dang little effort for the amount it generates. Thanks for joining us on Cooking with Rawr, and remember, together, let's face that fridge.